Hello, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to make a Santa. I thought it'd be fun to make something very festive because it's almost Christmas. Now let's get started. To make this very cute looking Santa, you will need one square sheet of paper. I am using this pink color because I ran out of red paper, but I think you should use red. So first, to make this little Santa, right side up and fold it in half into a triangle. Now fold it the other way, half. You can flip the sheet over if you'd like, if that's easier for you. Now open it so you have this little cross in the middle. Now take the top corner and fold it to the middle. Take this same edge and fold it to the top. Remember, fold it so it's aligned with the middle line. Open it back up and fold this little tip to the crease you just made. And then fold it to the crease or where you just folded to. And then fold it up again. So then you have this little line over here. Next, take your edge on the bottom and fold it to the top. Once you've done that, take the tip and fold it to somewhere a bit up, so you leave a small gap between the bottom and the tip. Crease that. Next, just flip it over and fold this corner down like this, and do the same to the other corner on the other side. Make sure it's not too fat, but not too thin. Next, fold the sides to the middle. Fold these sides to the middle. So, one side to the middle, and the other side to the middle. They're aligned right next to each other. And then take one side and fold it so this side meets this side. Right here. And then fold this corner to this corner up. And then do the same to the other side. And then, because if you flip it over, and there might be some little edges sticking out, and that might look annoying. So you can just tuck these little corners under. Then flip it over paper and you have your own Santa. Now you can draw your own face. Fun face. However you like. You can copy mine if you want. And yeah, you got it. You have your own cute Santa. And give him a button over here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.